Folks, here's a little preview of the Demo3 dashboard that was built. Its primary purpose is to show messages passing through the process that we're going to building out in the back end from the eJacket demo. So what we have here is the web server. Happens to be an Express web server. And we have a test producer. It populates the stomp queue. This queue will actually be populated by each step in the process. So all our processes will have a message that will be generated. And to simulate that, it pushes it to the stomp queue, and then from the stomp queue, it populates the couch database, and then automatically populates the pouch database in Angular, and then the dashboard gets updated. So that's an overview of the architecture. And here we have the dashboard. And so I added some asynchronously. This is running in the background in the web server. You can start the test, and you can start and stop the consumer queue as well, which is the consumer piece, is that part of the web server. So that is, we're here, the producer is here, you can start and stop that. You can start and stop this, both of those being asynchronous projects, asynchronous processes running in the web server in the back end. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to start producer, and then it populates the message as it flows through the list. And then we can stop it, and etc. So each of these represents a message in the back end. This is the timestamp. So this is where in the message flow it is. This is so these are the different systems that they're going to pass through, and these are going to change. They're probably going to change even Friday or Monday. And then the payload is here. We show the payload. You can show and hide the payload. So these are kind of the control, but this is the payload. So that will become the dashboard. As before, we have the rest of the application is the patients table, which will become part of the demo, as well as immunizations with the payload. I just want to capture this before we as we build it out for next sprint.